Hi, let's look at this question together. Some tourists boarded an empty ferry at island X. At island Y, 2/5 of them got off and 80 tourists boarded the ferry. At island Z, 223 tourists got off the ferry and 28 boarded it. Then the ferry has 38 of the number of tourists it had when it left island Y. Question: how many tourists were on the ferry when it left island Z? And how many tourists were on the ferry when it left island X? Okay, let's draw a model based on the information given. Okay, so assuming at island X, this is the amount of tourists that boarded the ferry. At island Y, 2/5 of them got off. So 2 units went off. It must be left with 3 units. And 80 tourists came on board. So 80 tourists came on board. So this orange color is the one that is on board the ferry when it left island Y. Okay, this green color one is go off already. At island Z, 223 got off the ferry and 28 came aboard. So 223 got off and 28 came aboard. So total is 195 got off. And after 195 got off, what happened was that the ferry had 38 the number of tourists it had when it left island Y. So which means that if this is 8 unit, we call it 8P, island Z must have 3P left. Okay, now the problem is how do we cut it such that we can solve the thing. Okay, so we know that this is 3 and this is 8. Okay, is there anything that we can solve to solve it together? So we use the LCM of 8 and 3, which is 24. So we convert this part to 24. Okay, so everything I multiply by 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 8 is 16. So now if you look at it, this is 24 part. Okay, and I want 3P out of the 24 part. One way to do it is, for this 8 part, I divide into 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 8 times. So I will have 8 numbers of 10. So I keep 3 parts here, which is 30, and the other 50 must be down here. Okay, next, okay, if I have 24 parts, same thing, if I keep 3 unit, 8 of it, 3 8 of it is 9. Okay, then the other one must left with 15 U. Okay, so now I have this model which actually taken from here. I do a comparison. Basically I chop the 80 into 8 parts and I give it 3 parts. Why chop 8 parts? Because it's 8P and I only need 3P, so I give it 3 parts. 24 I chop into 8 parts. Okay, so I take 3 parts, which is 9 units, and the other I put it here 15 units. Okay, so 16 unit we just bring it down. Okay, so now from here I can see that 15U plus 50 is equal to 195. Okay, you can see this part. So 15U plus 50 will equal to 195. U is equal to 145 divided by 15. I know this is a fraction, it's not a whole number, but it's okay. So at island Z, okay, what do we have? We actually have this part, which is actually 9U plus 30. So 9U plus 30. Okay, I forget to paste it back. Okay, so it's 9U plus 30, which gives me 117. Okay, so there are 117 tourists when they left island Z. So how about island X? Okay, island X is, remember, is the initial 5U, which is the 3U plus 2U, or it's actually 24U plus 16U, because we have multiplied by 8 and this is based on the multiply by 8 function. So 24 plus 16 is 30. So 30U is 30 times 115 divided by 15 is 290. So there are 290 tourists when they left island X. So just for completion, I just share with you that at island Y is actually 312. Okay, so hope that helps.